Okay, this time we have the new version of the application, so I designed it using the architecture that I just sent on the link on the Indeed messaging tab. So, okay, so now we have the same customer here is inefficace. Okay, so now I just have to fill the phone number and the password. Okay, so I have to wait for the application to get ready. Okay, right now it's taking longer because I'm using more data to build this dashboard. That's why it takes longer. Okay, so right now I have beta charts. I think this chart is better than the one that I had. What's important there is that now you can change the currency directly on this dashboard to see different values there. Okay, and here you can decide to change the office, because if you remember on the other application, on the other video, you had to select the office on each view. So now we have a top level page, a top level tab on which you can select the view, the office. Okay, there we have the customers, we have the visitors and the transaction. For example, here we have the list of the different customers. As I've selected agency, is taking the customer from the whole company. If you want to take the customer only for this town, is in Cameroon. Voila. Now we filter it and fetch data. Okay, now we just have 183 customers. It's in French, sorry. Okay, then if you want to get an overview of the folder of a customer, there we have his account and we have the security. If we want to lock his account, we click there. And here we have the main information, the phone number here with the phone with the country, with the country code. There we have the office, the folder. If you want to add, for example, a file to the folder of this customer, you just have to write the name of the file and add it. We upload it automatically. These are those examples. Okay, and for example, if you go to this one are immigration document. So we are trying to integrate all the different immigration process here. So if for example this guy selected a work permit, also this page will be filled with all the different files that he has to fill for his work permit. He will upload the fill file here. Okay, this one is a resume, because very important for the immigration consultant to have an overview on the resume of the customer to fill those documents. To fill those immigration documents, you have to get the resume of the user. So the user we just be updating his information right here. We have the contacts here, the relation, if he's married, in relation or married. So you just have to select it, put the name of his wife, and here he can add his different child. If he has many children, you can just add it here. Each child will be tapped, just as you can see here. I will not save it, so no worry. So if he's working, if he has a job, you can just have the history. You can just add the history of the different jobs here. Okay, but then you can add, if he went to school, you can add all the diploma that he got. And here you can just write as many information describing his profile here. Okay, these are the services, because right now we have noticed that many customers sometimes ask for many services. So we have to select the services before making some updates on the folder. For example, this one, you just have one service called demande de visa d'études. This is a study permit, sorry. So now we see that there's no information here. if you want to add an update, we just select the process and we select the steps. Okay, you say that okay, this customer is at this step. Okay, we just add, if there's a document related to this transaction or this information, we just add it here. If for example we add the customer just give me some money, we just add it here. But if you use some money to work on the to complete a task on the customer office, we just use this one, this selector. We can add more information. Now I use this plugin because now we can format the data, we can format the text, and it's better like this. Okay, this one is in beta, these two are in beta, I'm still working on it. We have the different tasks. So for example, when we go there, we know that we can add what we want to do for this customer by days. For example, we can say that, okay, by this day we have to submit his file or this type of things. And here we can just have the list on the different tasks. This is just a different view. This one is a calendar and this one is just the list. Because I'm connected as an admin, I can just add a task for this customer. This page is the one related to the invoice of this customer. So for example, we see that right now we just have one service, as you can see here, one service, and we have the small description of this service, and we have we have a progress bar there that's showing that we have exceeded the duration for this to manage this customer. And this one for the cost, we see that okay, the total cost is estimated to be 4,400 Canadian dollars, but we have nothing yet, so this one is 0%. This one is just a template image that I use, but if you want to get access to the invoice, we just have to click here. As you see that there's nothing right now, so his invoice is supposed to be empty. So it's just loading. I have to add something there. Okay, as you can see, we have a customized invoice. We have the logo of the company, we have the name of the company, we have the code of the invoice, we have the date at which it has been published, and this one is just few information that the information consultant asked me to add. Here we have the full name of the client, of the customer, but if we click on it, we can go back to his office. This one is the phone number of the customer. This one is the phone number of this office, because bureau means office, and here is pending because here we are supposed to have the address of this office, but they did not add anything. But I will ask them to add something there. That's why we see nothing here, and that's almost it. For the visitor, I think we have those are the same views because it's the same template. And yes, it's just loading the different things there, so it's just the same thing right here. So it's almost it.